Today we're going to be reviewing a Chinese acoustic that was based on a Gibson J160E. There's a few differences with the placement of the fretboard, the slope of the headstock, the placement of the knobs, and the color and shape of the pickguard, as well as the shape of the guitar. It's a bit less dramatic. You can tell a bit easier like this. It doesn't come out as far as the normal Gibsons do, but it's got a good sound. I put some flatwounds on it. The original stock strings that came on it were round rounds and they sounded fantastic, but we're going to do a little sound test here. Now I'm playing this through a Vox Tonelab ST, but to get that sound that Lennon used, I've been told that he played it clean. They just put a mic up to it, so to get that sound, which you'll be hearing feeding it into the computer, I just put it on the clean setting, and then I messed with the middle, a little bit of the bass, and took down the treble just a little bit to make it less jangly and more of that rhythmy cardboard sound almost that you hear. So this is a little bit of that. So. And then also, originally, or so I can find, the beginning to I Feel Fine was actually played on his acoustic, Lennon's acoustic, because it was his acoustic that was able to get feedback from putting it next to the amp, etc., etc. So if you dial in the volume and the tone a little bit, and you play up here, the neck pickup really picks up a lot of that. It's a lot easier to play on the short scale. I've got tiny hands, but it's a beautiful, beautiful guitar. So that was a good sound.